Looking for the best technology for your car? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 tech gadgets that will transform your driving experience. Starting off the list in our 5th position, we have the Red Tiger front and rear car dash cam. With 4K dual recording, the Red Tiger captures crystal clear footage from both ends of your car. Equipped with GPS navigation and Wi-Fi smart app control, the Red Tiger HD dash cam ensures high-quality footage in any condition. Next up, at number 4, we have the Bayou Smart Kit. The Bayou Smart Kit is the ultimate solution for all your car care and lighting needs. This comprehensive kit combines essential tools to simplify your daily maintenance routine. It comes with both wired and wireless charging station, hand light, tire inflator, vacuum cleaner, and car washer. With more accessories to come, experience convenience and efficiency with the Bayou Smart Kit, your all-in-one solution for car maintenance. Number 3 on our list is the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit, a product designed to have you back on the road in just 10 minutes. The ingenious design has 4 simple steps. Plug in the power connector into your 12-volt car accessory outlet, attach the air hose, and then press the button. Just like magic, a combination of emergency, repair tire, sealant, and air is directed straight into your tires and sealing punctures. The temporary tire repair can last up to 500 miles, giving you plenty of time to reach a service station. Our runner-up at number 2 is the MagSafe Car Mount charger. This gadget does double duty as a phone holder and charger. It uses MagSafe technology to securely hold your device in place in any position, no matter how bumpy the road is. Its advanced technology even charges your phone through a wire or wirelessly while you sit back and enjoy a phone call or follow GPS navigation. And now coming in at number 1 is the Cargenta Brain OBD. This is not just a gadget, it's a revolution in car tech. The Cargenta Brain OBD gives you real-time updates about your car's health directly on your smartphone. It can predict potential issues before they become major problems, saving you time and money. You can monitor everything from fuel efficiency to engine health, making it the ultimate tool for maintaining your car. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to New in Tech, where we cover everything from new technology to artificial intelligence. We even teach you how to code.